Good morning, boys. Welcome to my online class. I am Shubroto, your chemistry lecturer. Today we talk about a new topic, a new chapter, chapter 12, chemistry in our daily life. First, we discuss some preliminary speech about chemistry, which is involved in our daily life. We use different kinds of fertilizer on soil to boost up its fertility. This mainly made of chemical substance. We add baking soda with flour to inflate bread. We use vinegar or food preservative to preserve food for a long time at home, and all these are chemical substance. So we already get 3 points about chemistry or chemical substance which are used in our daily life. Then again, industrial substance which are discharged or polluted the environment are also an chemical substance. But these chemical substances play an important role in our daily life or daily phase of our life. So that means chemistry are related to our daily life in every sector. We use paste, soap, and detergent, which are chemistry or chemical substance. By the end of this chapter, we will be able to know the explain of important collection properties and uses of some household material. Describe the importance of pH in determining suitability of cosmetic material at home. That means some cosmetics which are used in our skin or our face have to maintain a definite pH, because our skin pH is 4.5 to 5.5, which is maintained by our body. If the pH is lower or higher that range, it will destroy or it will hamper our skin color or skin properties. Then explain the preparation of household cleaning substance and mechanism of cleaning. That means in our daily life we use some chemical substance like Lysol, Savlon, and so on, which are chemical substance which are used by us. Is very important to know the chemistry or chemical properties of that substance. Control of pH value soil in agriculture using appropriate compounds. That means the pH value of soil have to definite soil, because the soil, if the soil is more acidic or more basic, the plants cannot grow in that soil. So we use some fertilizer which is control the basic properties or acidic properties. We use calcium carbonate or calcium hydroxide to control the acidic properties, and we use some acidic fertilizer to control the basic properties. Explain the way to processing agriculture products. That means some agriculture products which are available or which are used in our daily life is also controlled or processed by chemistry. Explain the means of preserving agriculture products. That means we use some chemical substance which are used in preserving agriculture commodities. So this is the explanation of chemistry or chemical substance which are used in our daily life, and after that this chapter we will able to know more about chemistry or chemical substance which are used in our daily life. Domestic chemistry, household chemistry. Table salt or edible salt. Table salt or edible salt means the salt which are used by people for making the food tasty. All types of salt is not cannot be used for our uh, in our food or uh, in our meal. So the salt which are used in our food is called table salt or edible salt. Huge amount of sodium chloride along with some other salt including magnesium chloride are dissolved in seawater, and this is harvesting from seawater by evaporation process. Now I discuss the process from how to get the salt from seawater. Please listen my voice. When tidewater enters through this uh, salt cultivation in coastal area of our country make dams around square and rectangular land of different sizes and keep a small empty space there. When tidewater enters through this space, the water is released inside by closing entry point. When this water evaporates in sunlight, it becomes visible there. Salt becomes visible there. This method is called harvesting. The salt collected through harvesting process is processed into edible salt through different process in factories. The salt collected through harvesting process contains sand. When the salt is mixed with water in pot, the salt is dissolved in water but the sand remains in the bottom of the pot. Then the salt water solution is separated from the filtration process. Again, when the salt or the solution heated, the salt vaporized and the salt remains in the bottom of the pot. In this way, the processed salt is packed and sent of different places for sale. We need different types like sodium, potassium, and so on for smooth running of all activities of our body. If there is a lack of sodium ion in our body due to this any reason, this deficiency is filled by taking sodium chloride with water, which is called saline. Now we discuss about the uses of sodium chloride. We use it in curry to make it tasty. It is used in the industrial process to produce sodium hydroxide. It is used in drug industry to make salines. Now we discuss about baking powder. Chemical name of baking powder is sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium or sodium bicarbonate, sodium bicarbonate. Baking powder is produced when tartaric acid C4H6OH is mixed with baking soda, and it is usually used in making cake. Preparation of baking powder. It's an important topic for preparation of baking powder. It can be prepared from ammonia gas, salt, water and carbon dioxide. Reactions are given below. When carbon dioxide, ammonia and water react with one another, and it will produce ammonium bicarbonate, NH4HCO3. It's called ammonium bicarbonate, and this ammonium bicarbonate react with edible salt sodium chloride and produce sodium bicarbonate and ammonium chloride. We have to memorize this reaction. First, carbon dioxide, ammonia and water react one another and it will produce ammonium bicarbonate. This ammonium bicarbonate react with sodium chloride and produce sodium bicarbonate. This is the baking soda, and this baking soda mixed with tartaric acid. For baking powder, the sodium bicarbonate or baking soda mixed with tartaric acid, and this mixture is mixed with flour. By heating this reaction, or sodium bicarbonate react with tartaric acid and produce sodium bicarbonate and carbon dioxide. This carbon dioxide swell up the cakes because of carbon dioxide. Now we see the reaction. Sodium bicarbonate react with tartaric acid C4H6O6 and produce C4H4Na2O6 and carbon dioxide and water. This carbon dioxide swell up or rise up the cakes and the cake making very tasty and very good looking because the presence of carbon dioxide. Today's class is come to an end. From tomorrow we discuss about vinegar and vinegar preparation. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot.